Some SUVs look great on paper until you live with them and the flaws start showing. Others? They're so well designed, balanced, and reliable. You could almost buy them blindfolded. These are the SUVs that just work. The kind that make every drive feel easy, every feature feel smart, and every dollar feel well spent. Whether you're hauling kids, commuting daily, or heading for the mountains, these picks do it all with confidence. They aren't just reliable. They're refined, capable, and nearly perfect in everyday use. We looked at real-world performance, ownership satisfaction, and what mechanics say lasts longest. Here are 7 SUVs in 2025 that you can buy without second-guessing. Let's dive in. Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 has been the go-to choice for millions, and the 2025 model just keeps perfecting the formula. The standard 2.5 liters engine is smooth, fuel-efficient, and proven to run strong for over a decade. Hybrid versions deliver even better mileage with just as much reliability. Handling is confident, and the ride quality hits that sweet spot between firm and comfortable. It's built for real-world driving. No unnecessary gimmicks. Chunky yet refined, the RAV4 balances rugged appeal with city-ready styling. Bold grille designs, sharp lines, and available two-tone paint make it stand out. 2025 models get subtle design tweaks to look sharper without losing the trusted feel. It looks as good pulling into a trailhead as it does a grocery store. Toyota focuses on practicality, roomy seats, quality materials, and plenty of smart storage. The infotainment system is responsive, and wireless Apple CarPlay is standard. Visibility is excellent, and cabin noise is well controlled. You feel the quality even on entry-level trims. The RAV4 is nearly flawless in execution, efficiency, space, comfort, and bulletproof reliability in one sleek package. But if you want an SUV with more luxury flair and just as much long-term confidence, this next one's a clear winner. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX brings high-end comfort and tech without the luxury brand headaches. Under the hood is a punchy 2.0 liters turbocharged engine paired with a smooth 10-speed transmission. It offers confident acceleration and agile handling with available AWD for all-weather control. It's surprisingly fun to drive, with performance tuned for real-world responsiveness. Best of all, it avoids the costly reliability issues seen in some European rivals. With its sharp headlights, diamond pentagon grille, and sculpted sides, the RDX looks sleek and assertive. It wears its premium badge proudly, but without being over-designed. 20-inch wheels and a low, wide stance give it a planted, sporty vibe. It's a head-turner, but in a tasteful way. Inside, the cabin blends comfort and tech effortlessly. You get upscale materials, a panoramic roof, and an intuitive touchpad infotainment system. Seats are firm and supportive, and rear space is generous. It feels more expensive than it is, in all the right ways. The RDX is luxury without drama. Excellent engineering, practical tech, and Honda-level durability underneath. Want something with more off-road muscle, but still family-friendly and reliable? Keep watching. Ford Bronco Sport. Don't let the sport badge fool you. This smaller Bronco is tough, capable, and a joy to live with. With standard AWD and available turbo engines, the Bronco Sport handles dirt, snow, and mud with ease. It offers impressive ground clearance and off-road driving modes in higher trims. Even daily driving feels composed and sure-footed, whether in the city or on the trail. It's a small SUV that thinks big and performs even bigger. It wears classic Bronco design cues, boxy stance, contrast roof, and rugged wheel options. Short overhangs and an upright profile screen capability. It doesn't look like a crossover. It looks like a purpose-built machine. And that appeal? It's not just visual. It's functional too. Ford packs the cabin with rubberized surfaces, clever storage, and solid tech. It's made for gear, pets, mud, and life on the go, but still feels cozy inside. The sync system is intuitive, and there's a ton of headroom in both rows. This is utility with a smile, not a compromise. The Bronco Sport gives you real SUV chops in a compact, livable format. It's perfect for adventurous families. But maybe you want sleek design, a smooth ride, and effortless style. This next pick has it all. Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai's compact SUV packs everything most buyers want and delivers it better than you'd expect. You get a smooth 2.5 liters engine with solid fuel economy and a refined ride. There's also a hybrid option that boosts both power and MPG. Steering is light but responsive, and the Tucson absorbs road bumps effortlessly. It's engineered for quiet comfort, with just the right amount of zip. 2025 Tucson models turn heads with their bold front grille, LED light patterns, and origami-like lines. It's one of the most futuristic designs in its class, especially for the price. Sharp contours and sleek proportions make it look more upscale than many rivals. It's a design win from every angle. Step inside, and you're greeted by a minimalist, tech-forward cabin. Twin digital displays, touch controls, and premium finishes make it feel cutting-edge. Space is generous, and the rear seats are super comfortable even for taller passengers. This is high design at a mainstream price. The Tucson blends bold design, comfort, and proven Hyundai reliability. It's the surprise MVP of its class. We've seen smart, strong, and stylish, but the next three SUVs push near perfection to a whole new level. Subaru Forester. If you want unbeatable visibility, safety, and rugged charm, the Forester delivers without overcomplicating anything. With Subaru's standard symmetrical all-wheel drive and a boxer engine, the Forester is rock solid in bad weather. The ride is smooth and composed, and while it's not sporty, it's built for durability. It handles dirt roads, snow, and steep driveways without hesitation. This SUV doesn't just survive tough conditions, it thrives in them. Boxy and practical, the Forester embraces utility with a clean, no-nonsense look. Big windows, functional roof rails, and good ground clearance scream adventure-ready. It might not win style awards, but it's built for purpose, and that's the point. Everything about it says, let's go anywhere. Inside, the Forester surprises with spaciousness and smart design. You get incredible visibility, user-friendly controls, and rugged yet comfy materials. It's one of the easiest cabins to live with, especially for families or pet owners. Tech is straightforward, no learning curve, just real-world usability. Dependable in all seasons, built to last, and refreshingly honest, the Forester is the SUV you can count on, no matter the road. Looking for something even more refined, but still rock solid? This next SUV might just be perfection in disguise. Kia Telluride. The Telluride has gone from underdog to top dog, and for 2025, it's better than ever. Its 3.8 liters V6 delivers smooth, confident power that's perfect for highway cruising and towing. The 8-speed automatic is responsive, and handling is composed despite its size. You feel the strength in every drive, but also the smoothness. It's as confident on a family road trip as it is in daily traffic. The Telluride looks like luxury. Bold lines, signature LED lights, and a wide stance give it real presence. The 2025 model gets slight styling upgrades, making it even more upscale. It's one of those SUVs that makes people ask, wait, that's a Kia? Design-wise, it punches way above its price. Step inside, and you'll find one of the best cabins in its class, period. Rich materials, dual digital displays, ventilated seats, and tons of space across all three rows. Everything feels solid and premium, with family-friendly touches everywhere. It's a tech haven and comfort zone in one sleek shell. The Telluride delivers luxury-level features, space, and reliability, all without the luxury brand price tag. Now, for our final pick, a European SUV that proves not all Euro cars are reliability nightmares. Volvo XC60. Volvo might not always top the sales charts, but the XC60 is a hidden gem, safe, elegant, and durable. With a refined, turbocharged engine and available plug-in hybrid option, The XC60 balances power and efficiency. Its ride is smooth, its steering precise, and it feels planted and confident on the road. Volvo's tuning focuses on calm, composed driving, not flashy numbers. This is luxury designed for peace of mind, not bragging rights. Understated yet elegant, the XC60 wears minimalist styling like a tailored suit. The signature Thor's hammer LED lights and clean lines make it distinctively Volvo. It doesn't shout for attention. It earns it quietly. Every curve and detail reflects thoughtful Scandinavian design. Inside, you're surrounded by natural materials, intuitive tech, and serene ambience. Volvo's seats are among the most comfortable in the industry, perfect for long hauls. You get a large vertical touchscreen, Google built-in, and top-tier safety tech. It's like driving in a high-end spa on wheels. The XC60 proves you can have European luxury, innovation, and long-term dependability in one beautiful package. So, how do these SUVs rank in real-world data? Let's look at what Consumer Reports has to say. Based on 2025 data, Consumer Reports ranks brands like Toyota, Subaru, Kia, Hyundai, and Volvo among the most reliable for SUVs. These brands consistently score well in areas like engine durability, transmission performance, electronics reliability, and overall owner satisfaction. The models we've highlighted in this video often earn above-average predicted reliability and top marks in crash safety, value, and long-term cost of ownership. In a world full of new features and flashy marketing, real reliability still wins, and these SUVs prove it year after year. There you have it, 7 nearly perfect SUVs you can buy in 2025 with total peace of mind. Whether you're after comfort, tech, safety, or all-weather performance, there's a pick here made for your lifestyle. If this helped narrow your list, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Comment below, which SUV are you thinking about buying this year, or which one do you already love? Let's talk cars in the comments.